In a significant shift in U.S. policy, President Joe Biden has authorized Ukraine to use American-made ATACMS ballistic missiles for operations within Russian territory. The move, confirmed by senior U.S. officials, comes amid growing concerns about Russia's alliance with North Korea, which has deployed 10,000 troops in Russia's Kursk region to support operations against Ukraine. ATACMS, with a range of 300 kilometers, will allow Ukraine to target critical Russian military assets, including troop concentrations, logistics, and supply lines. Russian President Vladimir Putin has warned that such strikes could lead to a broader conflict, even hinting at the use of nuclear weapons if NATO gets involved. Kremlin officials have condemned the decision, calling it an unprecedented step towards world war. The decision also comes as France and the UK have authorized Ukraine to use Scalp and Storm Shadow missiles inside Russia. Ukraine can now target deeper into Russian territory, possibly disrupting Russian operations. However, this policy shift remains controversial, with concerns over potential Russian retaliation against NATO countries.